Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to class 9th English New Syllabus 2025. I'm your English teacher Muhammad Asif. Now we will talk about unit number 6, the value of time, complete short exercise. इंतहाई आसान और जामे अंदाज में मशक़ी सवालात का हल. The features of this video lectures are: answer the questions while reading, answer the following questions from exercise, plot development diagram, vocabulary, working with words, change the following nouns to adjective. Let us start our lesson. Unit number 6, reading and critical thinking. While reading, question answers. Answer the following questions. Question: what are Tasir's positive qualities? Answer: his positive qualities are his cheerful nature and kind-heartedness. Question: how did Tasir's teachers and parents feel about his time management issues? Answer: his teachers and parents were greatly concerned about him and were also perpetually surely worried. Question: what was the lesson that Tasir's grandfather taught him using the jar, rocks, pebbles and sand? Answer: Tasir's grandfather taught him to prioritizing the important things in first and let the smaller tasks fill in afterwards. Now questions from exercise. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. How had Tasir wasted his time before he visited his grandfather? Answer: before he visited his grandfather, he had wasted his time in playing video games, chatting with friends and daydreaming. Question number 2. In what way the poor time management affect Tasir's performance? Answer: the poor management affected his assignments and other schoolwork and chores badly. Question number 3 here. How did Tasir fill the jar? Answer: he eagerly poured the sand first, then he put pebbles. After that, he tried to fit the big rocks in the jar, but he could not. Question number 4. Why did his grandfather decide to help Tasir? Answer: his grandfather noticed Tasir's struggle with time management. Then he decided to help him through a valuable lesson. Number 5. What is the impact of accurate time management on Tasir's performance? Answer: accurate time management improved his grades, reduced stress, and helped him lead a balanced and fulfilling life. Now we are going to discuss the value of time's story plot diagram, जिसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक्सपोजिशंस को, राइजिंग एक्शन को, क्लाइमेक्स को, फॉलिंग एक्शंस को एंड रेजोल्यूशन को. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक्सपोजिशन. द स्टोरी ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम की एक्सपोजिशन है: तसीर हैज़ अ चीरफुल नेचर एंड kind-heartedness. He wasted his time in useless activities which led him to incomplete schoolwork and course. Now, rising action. Tasir's grandfather teaches him a valuable lesson through a jar, rocks and pebbles and sand. This lesson is proved a turning point in the story as it helps Tasir improve his time management skills. So climax है इसका: Tasir realized his needs to prioritizing important tasks first in life. This moment brings a positive impact in his grades, relationships and makes him more reliable. Falling action है. Falling action: he practices time management, inspires others and leads a happy and balanced life. At the end, Tasir becomes a master of time management. Everyone appreciates his progress. His time management skills put a positive impact on his relationships and makes him more reliable. He becomes a successful and happy individual. Explain the meanings of the highlighted words given below. Number 1. Tasir often found himself procrastinating. He decided to impart a valuable lesson. Number 3. Tasir eagerly began by pouring the sand into the jar, followed by the pebbles. Number 4. His classmates listened attentively and many of them decided to try the same approach themselves. Number 5. With practice and determination, he started to see improvements. Number 6. Tasir's newfound time management skills had a positive impact on his relationship. So dear students, number 1 में हमारे पास procrastinating, then impart, eagerly, intently, approach, determination and impact. Highlighted words हैं, अब इनकी हमने जो है वो vocabulary देखनी है. So words procrastinating उर्दू मीनिंग है टाल मटोल करना, ताखीर करना. delaying पोस्टपोनिंग इसके मीनिंग और सीनियम होंगे. इम्पार्ट किसी को सबक या इल्म देना. इंस्ट्रक्ट टीच इन्फॉर्म. ईगरली जोश खरोश से. इंथुसिस्टिकली एक्साइटेडली अटेंटली पूरी तवज्जो से. केयरफुली अटेंटिवली. अप्रोच तरीका रास्ता मेथड वे. डिटर्मिनेशन अज़म अरादा. विल पावर फोर्टिट्यूड. इम्पैक्ट असर इन्फ्लुएंस इम्प्रेशन. वोकैबुलरी में वर्किंग विद वर्ड्स. बी पार्ट है कंसल्ट द थिसॉरस एंड फाइंड द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स. यूज देम इन योर सेंटेंसेस. सो वर्ड्स हमारे पास हैं. इनग्रूस्ड सिनोनिम्स इसका होगा अब्सॉर्ब्ड, कैप्टिवेटेड. सेंटेंस में यूज किया गया है इनग्रोस्ड को. तसीर वाज इनग्रोस्ड इन वीडियो गेम्स एंड फॉरगेट अबाउट हिज स्कूल वर्क. एडमायरेबल, कमेंडेबल, प्रेजवर्दी. तसीर हैड एडमायरेबल क्वालिटीज लाइक cheerful nature and kind-heartedness. Frowned, scowled, glowered. Tasir frowned when he could not fit the rocks in the jar. Amazement, wonder, astonishment. To Tasir's amazement, everything fitted perfectly. Allocated, assigned, allotted. Tasir's grandfather allocated time for schoolwork and other activities. Impact, influence, impression. Tasir's story had positive impact on his friends. Cherished, adored, valued. Tasir cherished the story of the jar, pebbles and rocks. Part C. Use dictionary to change the nouns to adjectives. The first one is done for you. Noun, nature, adjective, natural. So nouns, management. Adjective है इसका managerial, struggle, struggling, gratification, gratifying, expression, expressive. Nouns हैं reactions. एडजेक्टिव इसका रिएक्टिव. प्रेजेंस प्रेजेंट. लेसन इंस्ट्रक्शनल. प्रोग्रेस प्रोग्रेसिव. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आपको यूनिट नंबर 6 द वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम की एक्सरसाइज बड़े अच्छे से समझ आ चुकी होगी. आप इसको अब अपने एग्जाम के लिए अच्छा तैयार कर सकते हैं. मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, अच्छी लगी तो उसको शेयर भी करें. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह अज़ीज़ इसका ग्रामर का पार्ट जो है उसको डिस्कस किया जाएगा. उसके बाद फिर हम रिव्यू 1 to 6 को देखेंगे इंशाल्लाह अज़ीज़. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए. फ़ी अमानिल्लाह.